Alright, so I just entered the TownePlace Suites here in downtown San Antonio. That was the lobby up there. My room's in kind of an interesting spot. Alright. So you can see you've got like the elevators up there. And the breakfast room. And 4 rooms tucked down this little hallway. And I am like right here. Very strange spot for a room. So, I haven't really looked around this room too much myself yet, so we're going to go ahead and do it here together on this video. So starting out in the front of the room, this is an extended stay style property, TownePlace Suites by Marriott. You can see the foyer of the room is actually serving a double function here as the kitchen as well. You get a nice little top and bottom fridge with some ice trays that I just filled before I left. Nice and clean. Got some assorted pots and pans for cooking on a little 2-burner cooktop over there. Oh, even a toaster. Got your glasses, plates. This actually is pretty well equipped for a kitchen this size. So far, I am impressed, though not really so much impressed by this very, very dirty spoon that was right on the top of the drawer. Obviously that was used and placed back in there. The rest of the flatware looks okay. Oven mitts. Got your dishwasher here. Oh, even a garbage disposal. And also your complimentary coffee. Got a cutting board back here. Pretty nice one, too. Paper towels. So yeah, I mean, given the size of the kitchen especially, actually pretty nice. Minus the one dirty spoon. We also have a little closet here right as you enter the room. Got a fair bit of space. You can hang up some shirts up here. It looks like it's well utilized. I don't know what the deal is with this. Looks like the shelf fell down and somebody just figured they would stick it in like that. So, trash can down here. Oh, there's the other part of the broken shelf. And then presumably these are the linens for the pull-out sofa, which even though the bag isn't zipped, they actually do look pretty nice and clean. Not sure why they would just leave the shelf broken like that. Minus that issue, it's actually a very nice, like, well-utilized little closet. The room does feature central heating and cooling. Nice and easy to see the thermostat, too, which is always nice. Very high ceiling in here, which is maybe a little surprising given the basement location of the room. You can see as you first walk in here, you have this really nice, inviting desk area with a TV mounted on top. I really like how this looks at a glance. And that's totally not my room key, so somebody else left it up here. I guess I'll leave it as a souvenir for someone else to find. Got some more shelving down here. A very nice office chair. Got one of these famous like Marriott desks that you can roll around the room. Easily accessible power outlets. And what do we have here? Why am I grabbing this with my bare hands? Part of an orange. Definitely some things falling through the cracks in this place. So we have that same goofy couch that I had at my last Spring Hill Suites that I stayed at, as well as this little table here. Though it looks very nice, so I guess the idea is that you can use this wedge pillow and this as a headrest and sort of lay out and put your feet up. So that's pretty nice. It actually is a very comfortable sofa. Seems like it's in great condition. No cleanliness issues that I could see. And then we have the bed. So, at a glance, the linens are a little bit messy, but it's still pretty well made. Though given some of the things I found looking around this room, I'm going to go ahead and take this apart just a little bit and make sure that we're in decent shape here. Got your top sheet, down comforter, bottom sheet. Very nice linens. Just glancing inside the pillows, they appear to be in nice condition. Very comfortable. Nice and firm too. They feel brand new. Surprised there's not a mattress like protector on this thing. I mean, there's just this one little, it's not like an actual bag, but looks like a very clean mattress. Again, at a quick glance, I don't see any real red flags here. Let's take a look under the bed. And I don't see anything under here either. So that's good. Get a view of the room from over here, just give you a better look around. It actually is a very attractive room. I do like the way this place is decorated. The bathroom is right here, with a very inviting, like, huge glass shower enclosure there in the back. Nice sink area here, also very well decorated, just like the rest of the place. I guess this isn't a functioning drawer, but this one is. It's interesting. So they had to cut the little box in so they could fit the plumbing in the back. Pretty neat, they actually have a drawer in here. Looks like the linens are very nice. Interesting choice of tile for the shower, but everything seemed like it was in pretty good shape until I looked at that shower head. Yikes. Quite a bit of calcium buildup on this thing, and then the grout is totally separated around the back, so it wobbles around too. This is actually pretty pathetic. Let's see how it runs. It's hard to turn this thing on without spraying myself with it. It looks like it at least functions nicely. A little bit of a leak in the back though. But that's pretty ugly. These light fixtures aren't in the best shape up here either. And then we have the sort of goofy window here because I'm down in the basement. So I'm sort of like at eye level with the ground in this courtyard out here, which I'm assuming most of the rooms look out at this courtyard, even on the upper levels. And I think that's the lobby we're looking into right up there. Nice drapes. So yeah, I mean, I see a lot of, oh, I didn't even notice this. There's a neat little like mantle over here with another outlet too. I mean, this place has a lot of things going for it. I mean, the layout of the room is very efficient and, you know, works very nicely. The kitchen's well equipped. The decor is very nice. Though there's some little things here falling through the cracks. So for a Marriott property, feeling maybe a tiny bit mixed on this. Still seems like a pretty solid place. Either way, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and that is it.